You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. You'll be like
Ow, ow. Is that you? Do you want to lead the way, Sarah? Which way are we going? Is there? Looks like the old outhouse, doesn't it? You know, like freezer and fridges and stuff.
It's like a factory.
Oh yeah, some nice shelving there, isn't there?
This is all the
The building.
front is quite modern on the back.
I think it was. I think it is 1850s, isn't it? Oh wow, this probably is a listed building. You right there, Jib?
Trying to get me what about this Wall Street for the clock?
Is that a path going up there? Oh, I'm getting dripped on. Are we getting up there, Jeff?
This is like the original type of building.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Yeah, I'll probably head back with Jib because I got the drone on me and camera. We're going to go around the top, I reckon. Oh, we'll wait for you then. Just hold that a second, I'll just swap with you. No, because I'll fucking record and land on my arse. Just be careful. Not much up there. Watch out, let me grab this stuff off you, mate. Shall we grab that as well?
Why is it getting up so easier than getting down?
Oh, coming down hurts my knees.
That's all, mate. It's crazy to see like a Christmas tree in like a Santa outfit. I just think like when that was used, someone out and bought that and had like a good few Christmases in there. And now it's just sit outside decaying. That's what I mean. It was, I think it was an orphanage to begin with years ago. So it's time to take up the parrots. Right, so taking up the Bebop 2 now, just above the property so we can see the full property layout and the size it is. As you can see, there's 6 windows across the top floor and 3 stories in height with the chimney pots there, 4 lots of free. And as you can see the building itself, that would have been the original building there, and the back part of it. It's all been cladded at the front there, but around the back you could see the traditional brickwork that was involved, stonework rather, and to the left there the annex itself that attaches all the way across, and then there's a further out building at the bottom here. We didn't go into the property, I've been here before, but I'm not going to go into too much depth on the property and the history itself because it might reveal the location. It's not been, I'd say, vandalised to a point, but it's still in really good condition for the age it went. People obviously aren't aware of where it is, so it's in relatively good condition. But the floors have fallen through, as you can see on the DJI before. The main building itself, structurally inside, is rotten through, and then you can follow the annex all the way along. Unfortunately, we've been in the property before. It's all around the side. It's all open. It's still got traditional carpets in there and other personal belongings of certain stuff. But you'll see in a second, I actually crashed the drone, so we had to cut the afternoon short. So like we say, on entering the property, if it's not reasonable entrance, we won't go in. We'd never force entry on any property at all. We're just having a quick nosy around. We're trying to preserve everything we can. But I'm bringing the drone into land now, and you can see me down the bottom there with Jib, having a look around, and there'll be a bit more drone footage as well, including the crash I did. Yeah, but as you can see, I'm bringing it in now, and yeah, I'm assuming this would have been a conservatory at the front here. You can see the render work along the top of the ground floor there, and you can see the bottom of it there. So I'm just bringing it in. what we've done is managed to get the drone stuck. So you get like a bad feeling about things. We're just flying around doing a bit of a video of the area. It's got sport mode and video mode. So video mode was to do the thing, and then we put in sport mode to manoeuvre it from different spots to do different angles. And I had seen a tree, and I panned around here and didn't see this tree behind it, and flew it straight into the tree. I don't know if you were able to see it. It's flashing blue there and beeping. So we're going to try and put these together and make an old pokey poke, which we found on the side, which we'll return and put back. But yeah, we'll date you in a minute when we get it out. Jump!
I hope you do believe me. I'll give you my heart. I love you.
Hooray!
I hope you do believe me.
Hooray!
I'll give you my heart. I love you for sentimental reasons. I hope you do believe me.